welcome to the AI with Arun show. In this episode, we are diving into a significant development in the world of enterprise technology. Salesforce recently announced the acquisition of Regrello. This is not just another business transaction, it's a strategic move that signals a major shift towards what we call the agentic process automation, essentially using AI to automate complex business operations. The deal was announced on August 18th, 2025, and is anticipated to be finalized in Salesforce's third fiscal quarter of 2026. This acquisition is a key part of Salesforce's vision to build what they are calling the Agentic Enterprise. So, why this acquisition and why now? The decision is heavily backed by explosive market growth in related sectors. Let's look at the numbers. The market for supply chain automation is projected to more than triple, growing from over 6 billion in 2024 to 19 billion by 2033. Even more dramatically, AI in the supply chain is expected to skyrocket from about 7 billion in 2024 to a staggering 192 billion by 2034. This is a compound annual growth rate, or a CAGR, of 39%, indicating incredibly rapid expansion. And this is all part of the broader enterprise workflow automation market, which is set to grow from over 100 billion, that was 2 years ago in 2023, to more than 258 billion by 2032. These trends show a massive opportunity, and Salesforce is positioning itself to be at the center of it. The Regrello acquisition does not exist in a vacuum. It's the latest in a series of strategic purchases Salesforce has made in 2025 to build out its AI capabilities, specifically for its new Agentforce platform. In May, they acquired Informatica for its crucial data management capabilities, which are essential for any large-scale AI deployment. In June, they bought Convergence.ai to enhance web and application interfaces. And just this month in August, alongside Regrello, they also acquired Bluebirds for AI-powered sales prospecting, and Y for its technology that translates natural language into database queries. Regrello, with its AI-powered workflow engine for supply chains, is a critical piece of this puzzle. Each of these acquisitions add a strategic, specific component to the Agentforce technology stack. Now let's zoom in on Regrello to understand its specific value. Founded in 2021 by CEO Aman Ahmad, Regrello has quickly made a name for itself, serving over 100 of the world's largest manufacturing companies. It has an estimated 10 million in annual recurring revenue and has raised over 25 million from top-tier investors like Andreessen Horowitz and Tiger Global. Regrello's market position is key. It targets the estimated 90% of manufacturing and supply chain processes that are still stuck in the past, running on emails and spreadsheets. This represents a huge underserved market ripe for innovation. What makes Regrello's technology so powerful? There are four key differentiators. First, it's a no-code platform. This is a game changer because it allows industry experts, the people who actually know the manufacturing process, to build complex automation models using generative AI without needing to be programmers. Second, it excels at data centralization, creating a single unified view of supply chain operations by pulling data from otherwise disconnected systems. Third is workflow automation, where it automates intricate processes that span multiple departments. And finally, it provides performance insights, offering clear, actionable data on supplier performance, lead times, and costs. The impact is real. In 2024, manufacturing customers who implemented Regrello's automation saw efficiency increase of 20%. So how will Regrello fit into Salesforce? According to Steve Fisher, Salesforce President and Chief Product Officer, the goal is to turn unstructured artifacts into coordinated workflows, bridging human and agents together on the Salesforce platform. The integration will enhance both the Agentforce platform and Slack, allowing customers to transform manual tasks into intelligent AI-driven automations. This directly supports the Agentic Enterprise Vision, which is built on four pillars. The human expertise, leveraging people for their domain knowledge and strategic decisions, AI agents using AI for the autonomous execution of routine tasks, unified data, which is creating a comprehensive data foundation, and connected workflows, enabling seamless end-to-end automation across the entire organization. And the interest is clearly there. 93% of IT executives in the US are interested in agentic workflows, with over a third already implementing them. Now, this strategic moves give Salesforce several key competitive advantages. It differentiates them from traditional players like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft. While those companies offer established enterprise software, Salesforce is building AI native capabilities from the ground up, allowing the systems to learn and adapt. Another huge advantage is talent acquisition. The Regrello team includes experts from major tech and manufacturing leaders like Oracle, Palantir, Tesla, and Apple, bringing invaluable domain knowledge to Salesforce. The charts here highlight the momentum. Enterprise interest in AI agents pilots have jumped from 37% in late 2024 to 65% in the first quarter of 2025. While the current full deployment rate is only 11%, this indicates a massive potential for growth. And for those who have adopted it, the results are significant, with organizations reporting 40% operational efficiency gains. Let's touch on the financial implications. Salesforce plans to fund this acquisition with cash on hand, and it's not expected to impact the financial guidance or capital return program for the 2026 fiscal year. Strategically, this move provides Salesforce access to a massive 220 billion supply chain automation market. This represents a significant expansion of their total addressable market, moving them beyond traditional CRM into operational technology. In conclusion, this acquisition is central to Salesforce's long-term vision. As CEO Mark Benioff stated, Agentforce is becoming fundamental to our future. 1 billion agents by end of FY26. Regrello is perfect strategic fit, providing the critical capabilities needed to hit those ambitious AI targets. It also creates a unified architecture, building a complete solution that spans from the data foundation all the way to the intelligent workflow execution. Ultimately, this move positions Salesforce to becoming a leader in the global shift towards autonomous enterprise operations. With the overall strategic impact score of 8.5 out of 10, this is a methodical, intelligent, and forward-looking transaction that addresses real enterprise needs and sets Salesforce up for the next phase of growth. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and support our work by joining us as a member.